Hey y'all, hey, I'm back. It's cold. Hey y'all, I got some really important news I want to share with y'all, but y'all gotta bear with me for just a minute because I thought I knew what I was doing, but maybe not. Hold on, let me see. I'm sitting in my car. I'm still down here on Patterson Street at Stone's Church, and it was cold outside, and I had my face mask on, and with my glasses, and my glasses kept fogging up, so now they all foggy and all messed up. But I want to tell you about some work that I've been doing with my very good friend, Lori Santiago. Some of you may remember Lori. She is the former executive director of the organization, the Hispanic American Council. Lori is a champion in this community. So let me tell you guys that Lori Santiago called me, and after I had already been getting tons of phone calls. I seen it on Facebook, but a lot of times we can talk and we can say stuff, but it's the action that makes. Has been talking and working with some of the employees at JBS Meatpacking Company. Many of us know these employees. We love them. They're related to us. They're working. They're good folks, family folks, trying to earn a decent living to take care of their families. And as you guys know, this pandemic has broke out, and people have been sick. And not only they've been sick, but been having symptoms. They still been going to work. Many of these people have been expected or demanded or made to go to work, particularly at JBS. And it's created an unsafe working environment. We've had individuals that have tested positive, and over the last couple weeks have tested positive for the COVID-19 virus. And yet the business did not do a good job of getting other people getting them tested for the COVID-19 virus. They didn't do a good job at all of keeping their employees safe, of giving them information around health and hygiene, and giving them resources and access to resources. But most importantly, they didn't shut down. They should have shut down, cleaned up, got it together, and done better by our people, our workers, these essential service folks that are working in this meat packaging plant. And so I fear that a lot of people have been exposed to this COVID-19 virus due to some negligence there from supervisors and others demanding that people come and work. And I want to be clear that it was Lori Santiago who has been organizing with these employees, who've been talking to, mentoring, and also breaking the language barrier. Lori has been, she's an interpreter. She is helping people break through the language barriers. And that's what we need. We need someone that was on the front line, in the trenches with our people, making sure that we're advocating and empowering them to advocate. And Lori Santiago has done that. So I want to throw a huge shout out to my sister. And I'm mad because I'm trying to figure out how I bring her on this live with me so she can talk to you guys and tell y'all what we did and how this worked. So Lori Santiago, thank you for your work. Not only did I thank you, but the people in Kalamazoo County and even Allegan, thank you. We have been reaching out, and this is the dynamic with JBS. Their parking lot is in Kalamazoo County, but the building, the facility where people are working inside is actually in Allegan County. So the truth is, Kalamazoo County, we didn't have any jurisdiction. We don't have any jurisdiction there. All we could do is call to our partners over there and to the sheriff, to their county health department, and to their county administrator and say, hey, we got some concerns. Our people are over there. And for a while, we was talking, but y'all know me, I'm tired of talking. I don't want to talk. Do something and take care of these people now. And so Lori called and we've been advocating. She's been doing a wonderful job of preparing the employees, showing them what to do, how to do, where to go, how to access resources, but most importantly, how to take care of yourself. And this is so important because what we're talking about is undocumented workers for the most part of it. They're not the only ones there, but they're a big part of it that sometimes are hidden behind the scenes, working in the shadows, just trying to earn an honest living to take care of themselves and their children. And that doesn't mean that they don't deserve to be protected. They deserve to have health care and health access, and they deserve to be treated with decency and respect. This is Kalamazoo. This is the United States. So I just want you guys to know this is happening, and stay alert and stay vigilant. If you guys know of companies that are not taking care of their employees, essential workers that do not have a choice, that have to go, these people were told that even though they knew that that these folks needed to be off work, needed to be quarantined, they still were demanding that they go to work. And they was putting a lot of fear in people, like, you gonna come to work or you not gonna have a job. And all of us know that we are a paycheck away from homelessness, from eviction, from foreclosure, from being hungry, a paycheck away from not having access to medication and essential needs. And that's not the type of fear we want to have with the people in our community. So y'all know me, I ain't having it. We ain't doing it. So I worked really hard. I want to give a shout out to my county administrator, Tracy Moore, to my health officer, Jim Rutherford, and to the folks at our emergency management team that made those phone calls, that walked over to Allegan County and demanded that they do something. So I'm proud to announce to you that as the work of Lori Santiago, that JBS is being shut down today. Today, they're being shut down. They're being closed for the rest of this weekend. They're going to have to comply with the CDC guidelines. They're going to have to clean, sterilize that facility. They have to do better by their employees, making sure that they are getting them the health care, health access, the time off work that they need to quarantine, but to also heal and recover from being exposed to this coronavirus. They're going to be doing much better by the employees that they have. So as I'm speaking to you all right now, they are over there shutting down JBS. So if you got friends, family, loved ones, baby daddy, baby mama, whoever working over there at JBS, just know they good. They about to be real good now. So what y'all need to do is y'all need to call them, text them, reach out to them, look out for them, and make sure that they are all right. Make sure that they're healthy. Make sure that they have the number to Family Health Center so that they can call and schedule an appointment to do the drive-up testing, or if they need to go to the doctor, if they need a ride, transportation, medication, whatever they need. It's time for us to look out for our people. These folks have been left exposed. They haven't been given what they needed, and it's our time to step up and take care of our community. So please help me help our brothers and sisters. This is extremely important. So I'm going to get off for a minute because I'm going to figure out how I get Lori on here, because I want y'all to meet my sister. I want y'all to get to know her, and I want y'all to know a true champion in Kalamazoo. I can't do this work without other people stepping up to help me, to inform me, and giving me the information that I can use to take downtown and to the state and everywhere else to fight for our people. Because I ain't gonna cuss y'all. It's close to Sunday, and I'm on the church parking lot. But y'all know what I mean. I'll be darned, Sanjalita, if we gonna sit back and let our people be mistreated. We know that this coronavirus is real, it's serious, and it could be deadly. And it could be even more deadly for us, black people, brown people, working class people, poor people, who already have the highest health disparities in our community. So y'all, if y'all know somebody, just a week or two ago, we were having problems with the Walgreens on Riverview Drive. That's in my district. That's in District 1. And they had an employee that was sick that tested positive. They stayed open. People were exposed. They wasn't giving the people what they needed, taking care of folks. And guess what I did? I sent county staff over there, demanded that they check it out, and they did. And when it didn't meet up to par, to standards, we shut it down. They shut down. They had to clean, sterilize, decontaminate, and they had to meet the CDC requirements, because not only do we have good people working in these places, but these people are leaving. They're going back home in our communities. They're going to our grocery stores, to our pharmacies. They're being around people because they have to, just to get from there to there, and they're exposing other people. And we cannot have that. And that's why we have such a high rate of positives in Kalamazoo. That's why we have such a high rate of people of color in Kalamazoo, and even to the point of death. And that's how we can push this back. We got to take care of the people. And I want to say this to y'all. I know a lot of people are saying, well, some people are knuckleheads and they're not staying home. That's true. but that's only a small number of people. The reason why we had such a high rate with people of color, black, brown, and those that are most vulnerable, especially the older people, is because we are on the front lines, y'all. We are the ones that are holding up the infrastructure, not just locally in this community, but across the country. We're operating public transportation, the grocery stores, the nursing homes, the hospitals. We're cleaning up the restaurants. We're cleaning up the bathrooms. We're the attendants at the gas stations. We are on the front line doing incredible work, making an honest living, doing what we have to do. And when we get off work, we're going home and we're getting in our car and we're touching this and we're touching that and we're opening the door and we're picking up supplies and we're hugging our kids when we get home. And therefore we're exposing other people because we have been exposed because we had no choice. So I want to change the narrative and let y'all know that we have a lot of folks. And I want to tell y'all, the older people, y'all watch out for our grandmas and grandmas and mamas and papas and stuff, because they are watching their grandchildren. They are opening up their homes for their friends and families that need somewhere to stay. And they're being exposed. And because of their age, their health disparities already, that puts them at an even greater risk. So some of y'all that we got kids that's running in and out of the house, they playing in basketball and going here and going to their friend house and this and that, and then they coming back home around grandma and grandpa. That's why they're getting exposed at a much higher rate and getting more sick. So watch out. Take care of our people. Don't let folks in your house. Talk to them through the door. They be all right. FaceTime them so that they can see your face and know that you all right. But just know, if we find out about more businesses that are not taking care of our people, we coming for you. Me, you, my crew, the hood, Boo Boo, JoJo, everybody. We coming for you. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other. This is not a joke. This is real. This is serious. And we want everybody to survive. We want everybody to heal and recover. We want everybody resilience to come through this incredible time. And if we can do that, if we work together, if we get it done. Lastly, I want to say, make sure you take the survey called 269-218-8585. Tell us your story. Take the COVID-19 survey. Even if you haven't been sick, if you haven't had symptoms, it's only 11 questions. Answer those questions. 269-218-8585. You can call that number. You can text hi to that number and the survey will begin texting you, asking you to answer those 11 questions. If you're on Facebook, go to Mothers of Hope page, go to our messenger and just put hi into messenger and the survey will begin to come up and you can take the survey that way. But please help us help you take the survey. If you take that survey and if you need assistance, we have the Shakita Quanah Lewis laundry program. It just started this weekend. We will be distributing laundry to the people in the community that need it. I have purchased laundry cards to go. You can go to the laundromat, do your laundry, and we'll give out as much detergent as we can. Hopefully we'll get more donations to help us to help more people. Our focus is really on families with children and also our senior citizens. If you have a washer and dryer at home, don't come get no laundry card. If you have a washer and dryer at home, but you would like some laundry detergent, fill out that number, complete that survey. That'll get you in the pipeline, and we're going to help as many. I can tell you for a fact how we reduce the spread of this virus is through our hygiene. Washing our hands, washing our clothes, washing our hair. Y'all need to be washing your hair on a regular. The virus can survive on your hair, on plastic surfaces, steel surfaces. So hygiene is what's going to get us through. And we're helping, Mothers of Hope is helping with that, with assistance with getting your laundry done. So hey, Sharon Davis Kingston. Hey, my baby. Sanjalita. We ain't going to let them steal nobody else's money. We're going to advocate for our people, and we're going to get it done. Y'all got the gist of what I'm talking about, right? Y'all know it's cold. I'm sitting outside in my car. I'm at Stone's Church. I'm here with the Family Health Center. I've been out here all morning long. People have been testing. I think they've tested 26 people so far. Those test kits will go to Grand Rapids. In 24 to 48 hours, people will get their test results. If you are sick, if you having symptoms, if you feel like you need to be tested, call the Family Health Center and get that appointment scheduled. The next testing date. Okay, Lori, I'll send it to you. The next testing date is this coming Thursday at Lori Norks High School. Option for her to join anymore. Dang. Okay, but I'm gonna get her on here, y'all. We gonna figure it out. All right, so y'all, that's it. JBS shut down as of today. Send those employees home. Allow them to heal, recover, give them the resources that they need to be healthy so that they can thrive and survive in our community. Those are moms, dads, grandparents. Those are our people, our brothers and sisters. I don't care if they consider documented or not. They human beings that are in our community, and we take care of our people. So y'all just know, if y'all folks coming home tell them they've been sent home, go home, apply for your unemployment, get all the resources that you need. If you need food, call 211. If you got housing issues, housing concerns, you need referral, call 211 for a referral. If you want to tap into some of the resources and grants and fundings, call 311. That's through the city of Kalamazoo, 311, and tap into everything that you need. Y'all, stay safe, stay warm, and look out for each other. If you don't get nothing else from this feed, we are here to look out for each other. You know, we gonna start checking for folks that ain't been checking for folks that's gonna start writing checks to some of our folks. I gotta get going because y'all want me to get this laundry card program together, and I need to get it together so we can help our people. Love you all.